Hey guys, my name is Anthony Tracey and today we're counting on my top 10 favorite Real Jamaican Girls moments. Alright, I know everybody on that channel yeah, them love Real Jamaican Girls. Every time when I always have message me and I say about when Real Jamaican Girls are come back, we need new episodes and things, so I decided I need to do a countdown video of some of my favorite Real Jamaican Girls moments. Alright, but before we get into the countdown, I need for one, you see them camera here? I need to show you some of them camera, yeah. You see them old and ancient and coming like them make from God time, yeah. And them I used to shoot Real Jamaican Girls with. So prepare for the low quality video that we're not gonna see. Alright? Alright. So here's number 10.
Woody, on your profile, let's see. One white just say I don't know if I win near or something. We look like trying to take the picture and look like Charlie's Angel. Me I wonder why you promise me. And the next dress I tell you they text from you. Me I wonder all now I need a van. I want a couple of them there. You see me goodie. Just start out the things for me. I don't know. I have to tell everybody say I'm a friend shop for me and be a thing. I have to represent for me and my friends. You know, so make your friends start out and look good. You could have build 2 weeks for me and send down to, but you not even know my head size. So my head big time, one big head person and digital and pan.
Wrong number?
I want to pick with you. Why you must feel like say my name of always in your mouth? You left that sad?
I want to play idiot girl.
Who you call idiot girl?
No you, Matilda forgot you got tip on people and stuff.
Stuff what about?
No must the foundation. And you, McGill in this great
Oh, we know, wait there.
Where's
Where's a while ago? Where's a while?
You got you got tip for the people and things.
You like that said for you? Yeah, makeup things?
Me
think I'm from business school, you start makeup imaginary things. Then if stop it. Really and truly.
Going and still people. It's not me. You don't have no money where you never go there and buy the people.
I bought my stuff.
But what? That made them dip you? You still dead down here. Where you go back?
I took a plane here. By my own free will. So I'm going to see what you're talking about.
Sure.
You didn't even stop makeup things.
People get scholarship and I come back down here. Sure.
Yeah.
Go back in the people and still pay for what you take.
You need to shut up. Please answer.
I am not
because
ready to
shut up.
shut up.
No make no sense.
It does make sense.
Not because of that scholarship. Me say, I can't come back when I leave.
You see you? He's a wicked girl.
Yeah.
Madumo.
Let me go! Move. Help me! Fine.
Out of my house. Out of my house.
But Ashanique is not so bad. But Ashanique is not so bad.
Who must do about papi now? Me no know enough. I have an idea. Come and show him way.
My next favorite moment is the fight that started the Shante versus Maya feud. It was also Maya's first appearance on the show. Take a look.
But like the dress that Maya look nice.
Well, everything will look nice.
Wait, I know my dress that. But do you love that dress there?
Yeah, I thought about this is my dress.
No, that is my dress. Mama said about 1 year ago. But you look good now though.
Get real.
You need to get real. You're not shame.
Shame on.
Yeah, I think other people clothes. What an embarrassment.
You act like saying I love come borrow my clothes too.
We catch out that are really my dress. Tell her wash out too. So I can keep it. By the way, my parents support me. So I'm not forgot people yard and bury them clothes. Just saying.
just curling up like your aunt.
You talk to me, Medusa. Let me cover my eye and form 10 stone.
But I don't know what get on it with you. Like, I'm here to them catch you, a thief in a one little cheap store. Knock off, girl.
I'm here say, you got PPI and make food. Got PPI and make food. You got PPI and make food.
Please, you want to be like me.
But you're brighty, me and you are on two different levels. And by the way, don't call me You must look like your mother, don't you?
Don't bring man up in there.
Don't call me
Bring man up in
But don't call me
body.
Fix that face.
Fix that behavior.
Fix that personality. Irks.
Yo, them Jamaican girl, they can't fight, you see, man. Jano. No, to them, man. They can't easy. Anyways, my next favorite moment, it involved a new Jamaican girl joining the series and just stirring up. Yo, that girl are going with a bag of things. See it? Take a look.
Hey, Ashley. Girl, let's just move here.
Move back.
Hey,
Move
Ashley.
back.
Welcome to our review.
Move back. Move back. Move back now.
Are you adjusting well? Where are you from originally?
Oh, you're all up in the girl business, so no fee.
Well, I'm adjusting really well. I kind of like it here, and I'm from Montego Bay.
Well, I'm Shante and she's Ali Rodney.
My name is Alpha for introduce me.
Alright, finish.
Nice meeting you, Shade. Not so often.
I really want to know what happened at the concert.
We were having a lot of fun until this unattractive, poorly dressed girl approached us.
Yes, Maya. That dirty girl.
We are there. I want to Shante, not you.
Who she attacked?
Obviously, you dumbass.
Who you call dumbass? What ya? The girl dumb.
All you swear think you cute, you know.
Of course, she better looking than you. You look like Medusa.
No, but you're bright. You can't talk to me. You look good? No.
But look at you, young
Look
girl.
at me, but you don't look good.
So are you still right here? So
I'm Jenny for
You can't just stop talking to me.
you still right here. You're not
Don't touch me.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Shall pass her place with me. I have to make her know that I'm not the one. Me make her face more deformed than white already. Don't play with me. Who's Charnel?
The girl you call Pepto-Bismol.
Oh, that girl, I don't like her. She's so stupid.
Me and you be big friends. Sure that?
Okay then. She just enough. She just sick my stomach.
You need to buy what is rock up this right here, so.
So I wish she Pepto-Bismol when you
No, you have to
take her look at me.
You need to shut up.
Come on for me. We are
You need to shut up. You need to shut up.
excuse me.
Hotness in the building. Haters gonna hate, but I just love. Don't hate, just appreciate. Anyway, I'm gonna play one day. When there's a cream up here, I'm beer things, what is la la? Yeah, Shante.
God, bless me with new friends, please.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
I want you, man.
You need to wake up before it's too late. Fidua.
You girls ready for me?
boy, duh. Not again. No, also, what's today? Surprise, surprise. What's the guy know?
Alright, so we're down to the final 3. I don't know how we reach top 3 so fast, you know. It's like time move fast, man, when you go on memory lane. No, sir. Alright, so my next favorite moment, it never did involve the Jamaican girls then. You see, these were a bunch of country guest stars and them just come and them just... Yo, you have to pre that one, yeah.
Sweet puppy and come and be here. Talk up, make up your mind. What you say? Make up your mind now. What you say?
Make up my mind now, what you say?
Your butt's big like I don't feel.
I know big, but I'm my own. Look from you. Look at tear. I have to laugh I'm out to think that them too big and you like chiffon butter.
Oh, she ugly, man.
You know, sister, you want roll you see your arm too green.
My girl, that's
You know, sister, your ear one flat.
And so, I mean,
You
I
know,
want
sister, your teeth
platty.
one brush.
Look at your teeth, them big like an ox.
You know, see your
You
face
can
one
chop
wash.
some wood.
You know, see you want clothes. You know, see you want beard. You know, see you want beard two of them. That nonsense.
Why? My body. What did you say?
Well, on there, what should I do with my friend, man? No, sir, my friend, I forgot you the one, yeah. Oh, yeah.
My girl, me say I take my man.
Me is a girl when I fight over man.
I see texting them phone. Hey babe, what's up? I go up on Facebook. My girl, yes, may I talk to you?
Like girl, for me no wish man you talk about.
I saw which man you have for no know which man may I talk about.
But you
Today, may I
bright
talk
see, you
about?
bright see.
Johnny,
Yeah.
no, no, girl, name Alia Rodney.
Yeah, she's same one. She love take people, man.
What you? Me not take
Of
this
course,
man.
you can get him one little.
But me not taking you bright see. My girl, leg off from me. My girl, leg off from
I
me.
don't let go for you, where you got to me.
Me not leave no talk, you know. Come now, your girl come beat me again.
Again? What do you mean again?
She did beat me right down there, so. The girl that beat me over you. You see how she tough?
My girl, where come my name for?
What's up, me?
Yeah, come, my ear, my name was her mouth.
Me?
Yeah, she see him and take him and beat the girl. She too rude.
But you bright, you see me at nobody, man.
Come. I'm not talking.
My girl, go
Beat the
sit
girl
down.
and done.
Go sit down.
Beat the girl
Go
and
sit
done.
down. I rebuke in the name of Jesus.
I'm going over this.
But Sean, just calm down, alright?
Let him do tempo.
Shut the hell, them up, try to beat me.
My girl. I don't want it
If
for my man. I don't want it for my man. I don't want it for my man. I don't want it for my man.
Right.
You shut up.
Beat the girl.
I
She
don't want it for my
outsider.
But me don't want you, man.
I'm going to get her running already.
Shut it, help me now. Shut it now. Shut it.
Maya, you first. Truth idea.
I should say I have a boyfriend.
Yes.
Wait.
When
Javon, I'm a link, you know, him text me and tell me so in a relationship. And as a matter of fact, him say you're the idiot girl who live next door.
I think that you are too aggressive.
Me aggressive? Shante, me aggressive?
And you love cut people off.
My problem with you is that you're too enough.
Me enough?
Yeah? When things are concerned, you find yourself in the middle of it.
How are you? This is where I make my leave. Enjoyed my stay.
No,
Lady no mercy. Llaman Rasta. Este es el código cricao, lanza y difeilo. Again, a que tú no te quitas, 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 a que tú no te quitas.
So what, me know? We see a while ago,
A que tú no te quitas, a que tú no te quitas, a que tú no te quitas el pantalón. Let's go. ¿Qué tienes aquí, al?
Okay guys, and those are my top 10 favorite moments of the Real Jamaican Girls. But I don't want to know what were your favorite moments. If you want to let me know, you got to comment below. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Oh yo, and I have a challenge for you. If you really want to bring back a couple more episodes of Real Jamaican Girls, then I have a challenge for you. Zine, let's bring this video to 10,000 views. You see, if we can bring a video to 10,000 views in less than a week, I give you an episodes them because I deserve it. So I know what I have to do. I have to go share, I have to go comment, I have to like, I have to share it all over the place. I can get that video trending, you see it? Alright, that's my challenge for you. So if you really want to bring back the girls them, then I have to do it. If not, phone thing that. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and thanks for supporting me. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter, IG, my social media links are in the description box. Thanks and peace.